Hey y'all, it's GreggFesto. I got a different type of video for you today. Today I'm doing a product testing. I was talking to one of my subscribers, Mr. Tony Saprano, and we were talking back and forth about batteries. And he got a charger that's supposed to repair batteries, and it's got 7 stages of charging and stuff like that. And he was talking to me about it, and I said, man, that'd be pretty neat. So Tony Soprano sent me one and asked me to check it out and make a video for him of it. So this is what he sent me. This is a what he calls an inexpensive battery charger. It is it's a 12 volt, 7 amp, 7 stage battery charger. It's a smart charger, and it works with all different types of batteries: AGM, gel, SLA, wet, deep cycle, EFB, and lead acid. It's got overheat, overcharge, short circuit, and reverse polarity protection, and it does different stages of charging. So what that means is it's got different steps that it goes through to supposedly give you the best charge, and then if you leave it on there, it'll maintain the battery. So I am going to check it out, and I'm going to check it out on the oldest battery that I got around, and that's a battery from October of 2010. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to put this smart charger on there and check it out. So let's see what this thing looks like. It's got the same thing on both sides of the box, but one side's yellow and one side's orange, but it's the same thing on it. I don't see any difference between what's on each side, so I guess it's just, you know, they want something just to look cool. Okay, so this device itself is orange like this picture, and it says FOXSUR on it, which is FOXSUR. Smells like China. So that's interesting. It's got a strong PVC type odor to it. The front's got a single button on it and a couple of lights for the different settings: gel, standard, AGM, motorcycle battery, and a repair mode. Plugs into a 110 volt American outlet. Looks like it has a fan in the back there. Pretty decent alligator clips. Completely plastic covered except for the part that would touch the posts on the battery. Let's see what the different 7 stages of the charging are. Okay, stage 1, battery desulfation. Stage 2, soft start charging. Stage 3, bulk charging. Stage 4, absorption charging. Stage 5, battery test. Stage 6, recondition charging. And stage 7, float and maintenance charging. Interesting. Alright, so it's pretty simple. Connect the battery, then connect the AC power cord, then hit the mode button to select what you want to do. Select a type of battery. Once it's on for 30 seconds, it automatically starts in whatever mode you've got it in, whether it's this repair mode or whether it's the charge mode. High efficiency greater than 85%. It's microprocessor controlled charging process, provides the best possible application and enables efficient battery charging. Adapts to temperature that can prevent over or under charging of the battery. Capable of recharging severely discharged or heavily sulfated battery. Alright, well, I'll tell you what. Tony, I appreciate this, man. I really appreciate the opportunity to do a test video and to keep a meter like this, you know, a charger like this. It's awesome. If it works good, I will use that from now on as my charger. Until this point, I've been using one of these cheap, you know, Walmart type chargers or whatever, but it'd be pretty cool to have something like that. So, Tony Saprano, thank you very much. I'm going to check this out. I'm going to put it on this battery from October of 2010, and I'm going to put it on charge, and we're just going to see what happens. And what I'll do is I'll make a video for you right now, and I'll also give you a message in your email and let you know how it works out. All right, see you in a bit. All right, we've got our battery set up on our workbench here, and we've got our charger here. So what we want to do first is follow the directions in the pamphlet, which says to connect the positive and negative leads to the battery as a first step. So I've done that. And it gives me a reading on the front of here that says 15C and 12.3 volts, and a little light is lit up here that says repair. According to the manual, I can press this mode button and choose different functions of the meter. So I'm going to try to do that, see what will it do. Alright, so the gel battery, standard battery, advanced glass mat, motorcycle, or repair. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it on standard, charge, and we'll see that the first thing that comes up on this meter is called DES. And DES means battery desulfation mode. That is the first stage in the charging process. So the charging process is here. We've been running the charger for approximately 10 minutes. And I heard a little fan inside cut on. And now it must be in the second stage, because the DES is off the screen, and it's now still going up and down on this scale, but it's reading different things. What this is reading is 6.2 amps and 13.8 volts. And now the Celsius reading has gone up to 19 degrees. Okay, we've been about another 20 minutes from the last little look, and now we're at 19 degrees Celsius in the charger, 5.8 amps, so that's gone down, and 14.3 volts, and so that has gone up. And we're at 14.4 volts, 20 degrees Celsius, and 5 amps of charging. So what it looks to me like is happening is that the amps are going lower and lower, and the voltage is kind of going up to where an alternator would be charging the battery, like in a car. Hour and a half in, we're at 17 degrees C, 2.5 amps, and 14.4 volts in. 16 degrees Celsius, 2.2 amps, and still 14.4 volts. I went and worked on a couple of things, and I come back and it says full, and the battery is no longer flashing, and the motor's not on. So that's interesting. Tony Saprano, the charger says that the battery is full charge. I don't know whether to believe it or not. Sir, before I check it and put it in a car, I'd like to invite you over to test it with me. Let me know what you think. Get back to me and tell me whether you'll come over for a visit and test this battery with me and see if it really works. I'd love to hang out with you and do some more chatting. Alright, GreggFesto out.